Computers are the most important piece of hardware in existence, allowing everyone to do anything their imagination can comprehend, allowing people to travel to space, art to be generated from simple text, and interests to be shared amongst the masses. It is clearly, and most evidently, the technology that single-handedly changed the world. I made a computer that imitates a fictional cat because Hey, how's it going? It's your local programming nerd slash horror game developer slash has been dead on YouTube for the past 8 months because Bleach 1000 Year Blood War is coming out in a few days and I need to catch up on the 366 episodes that I haven't watched. So I've been getting into Discord recently. If you don't know what Discord is, that's fucking impressive. But nonetheless, Discord is basically Facebook groups, but you can have different text channels for specific topics and you don't have to see how Aunt Cheryl believes the vaccinations are the root of all evil and you should just smoke crack instead of preventing chickenpox. Or whatever. The other day, someone in the server sent me this meme. And for some reason, that awakened something in my caveman-esque brain where I was like, yeah, funny cat dance, I make a bot about that. And then I did. It took 3-ish days, and this is all it does and how I made it, because I need content. The first thing I did, and also the first thing that was suggested for it, was to make it so the bot can respond to questions that you give it. So basically an 8-ball command where you give it a question and it gives you a random ass answer that probably won't make any sense. This was super easy to do using Discord Pi, an API library used for making Discord bots. Basically, every time this command is run and there's a question with it, the bot will pick a random answer from this list, and then send it along with a tag to the person who asked the question. Next up, and this is the big one, was to basically have the bot have a mood for the day. Like, happy and sad and horny and shit. This was also easy thanks to Discord Pi's task function, where you can basically just have it run a piece of code every X amount of time. So every day the bot picks a mood from a list and then sends it to the specified channel. It then gives a reason that's specific to each mood for why it's feeling that way, just to add a little more flavor to it. Because why don't we want a bot that feels as though it's an actual human being that is creating these messages? Speaking of which, this is actually a lot easier than it sounds. Basically, I just broke into Google, stole the code for Lambda, which is supposedly the world's first sentient AI according to this man, and why wouldn't you trust this man with your life, and slap it into the bot, and then boom, you're now blacklisted on Google and can no longer upload videos to YouTube. Or, I guess you could also just create a command that makes it so the bot sends a message to a specific channel. You could also do that, I guess. Not nearly as fun, though. Please don't hurt me, Susan Wojcicki. And yeah, that's how you create your own Garrett bot. You can't just add the one I made because I don't have the resources to run this on multiple servers at once. And also because I have no fucking clue on how to do that. If you want, though, you can get the scripts that make up this bot through my Patreon, along with all the files for games that I've created and the future programs that I create. Doing this would help me out a lot since it takes a lot of time and effort, and also money, because I need to eat.